Hey, Jay Marshall here. Today we're going to look at the minimum requirements for elementary teachers in Schoology. That's right, there are 4 minimum requirements. I'm going to guide you on this journey. It's a short journey. Let's get started. First things first, you want to find Schoology. It's in your class link. Once you open Schoology, you need to, of course, find your course. So we'll go to Courses and locate yours. Okay, go ahead and open it up. When you open this, you will see that it's quite bland. There's not a lot going on here. One thing that might jump out at you is this image, this blue image. If it doesn't jump out at you, it's because it's boring. We're going to change that. When you hover over this image, this is minimum requirement number 1, by the way. You're going to see edit picture. If I click edit picture, there's some other boring ones that Schoology offers, or we can create our own custom course card. That's right. I'm going to show you how. See this attached file. Once we have one created and saved on our computer, we can attach it. So let me show you 2 options that might work for you. Option number 1 is to use this Google Slide template that we've created that has directions at the bottom showing how to create the course card image. That's fine and dandy. It's a great option. My preferred option is number 2, Canva. If you have not used Canva, this is a great opportunity to, dip your toes in and check it out. Schoology course card templates. They have this. Look at all these templates they have for us. Makes it nice and easy. By the way, links to both of these options are in the description below the video, so you can click those links and it will take you to these sites. So let's check out Canva because this is the one I would use. I'm going to choose this here, this cool rocket ship. When you find one you like, you simply select Customize this template. I'm going to jump in real quick here and change the name because that is not my name. And there we go. You can edit these colors as well. Anything you click on is editable. You can change fonts. You'll see that this changes up here to reflect what you've selected. If I click on this background color, I can change the color. Same with all of these options. Look at this. I can change all of these colors. I like these colors. Let's move on. Once you're finished editing, you select Share. Then choose Download. We're going to download this to our computer. Now just click this purple download button and it will save to your downloads. Now I'm going to go back to Schoology. Again, I was hovering over this image. I select Edit Picture, Attach File. Here we go. You'll see I have a few here. I'm going to choose this one, the most recent one. Select Open and come on. Are you joking? Look at this. Much more engaging. Yeah, looks great. When students jump in, they will see this. This is what they see. It's much, much more exciting than this blue thing. Yeah, good job. That's requirement number 1. Requirement 2, 3, and 4 all live in this element called a page. So let's create that. If I go to Add Materials, we will add a page. Please do that now. Okay, so let's give it a title. Welcome to our class. So the second requirement is a photo or a bitmoji of you. A photo or a bitmoji of you, you need it saved on your computer somewhere. So I happen to have a picture of myself saved. So I'm going to go here to this Insert Content button. It's a square with an arrow shooting through it. And I'm going to select the top choice, Image Media, and Attach File. There we go. I have a picture. What do you know? I will open it and it plugs it in. It's a little bit large. Nobody needs to see that. I'll drag it down a little bit. Grab this little handle to drag it down. You'll see I have a space here. I'm going to hit backspace or delete on my keyboard to bring that up. Great. Now, if I click to the right of this image, it's now kind of blinking. It's hard to see, but it's a cursor that's blinking. I will hit um, enter, and I'm going to type a little message, just a little bit, a tiny little message, and I'm not going to bore you with the typing. I will just paste it in. Okay, this is just a little bit of information about me. Here's your font size. I can change that. I made it size 16. Okay, that is not a requirement. I just added that. The second requirement, by the way, if you remember, is this photo or bitmoji of yourself. I added this little message below, and I'm also going to include the third minimum requirement, which is explaining where the content lives. So let's say that in my class, we will use Seesaw, for example. So I need to make sure that parents know that information. So for most of our classroom work and assignments, we will be using Seesaw. Great. So I've added that information, and I'm going to just go above and beyond and insert another image, and it's going to be the Seesaw logo. You don't have to do this. And by the way, this logo is going to come in quite massive. This will take a moment for me to resize, grabbing this handle, just kind of dragging. There we go, we're getting there. This is not required, but I just like the way it looks. Again, I click to the right of the image, hit enter or return, and now I can satisfy the final requirement. See, this is, I told you this would be pretty simple. That is including, the fourth requirement is your contact information. Parents need to know how to contact you. So I'm gonna include that information below my nifty little seesaw image. Okay, I'll change the font. There it is. To contact me, please use Schoology Messenger, Seesaw, or email jmarshall@nmusd.us. Okay, I'm going to click Create. Okay, so now the way it's set up in Schoology, if parents visit my page, they will have to click this link and then it will pull up, which is fine. But if we want to go a little extra on this and make it look really, snazzy, we will, instead of requiring this click, we can click this gear and choose Edit. There's a little piece of paper down here that says Display on New Page. If I click this, it now says Display in Line. Let's check it out. Save changes. Oh yeah, that looks much nicer. I've got all my requirements now. I have my first minimum is this course card image. My second is a picture of myself or a bitmoji. The third is this explaining where my content lives, which is going to be in Seesaw. And the fourth is the contact information. Look at that. It's that easy. I hope you agree. But if you do have any questions, as always, you can reach out to edtech@nmusd.us. I hope you have a great day.